Welcome to Wonderdome, where the future is now. Stride to know how. Take a bow. With the power of AI of faceless content creation.
Hey there, creators and innovators. Are you ready to supercharge your productivity and creativity without spending a dime? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of free life hack AI tools that will transform the way you work, create, and live, guaranteed. Stick around because I'll not only introduce these tools but also show you how to use them like a pro. Let's dive in. First up, we have InVideo AI, a game changer for video creators. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or just someone who loves making videos, InVideo AI lets you create professional quality videos in minutes. Here's how it works. Simply type in your video idea, and InVideo AI generates a script, visuals, voiceovers, and even subtitles for you. You can customize everything, from the video length to the voiceover accent. It's perfect for creating explainer videos, social media content, or even faceless YouTube channels. Pro tip: use InVideo AI's voice cloning feature to add a personal touch to your videos. It's like having a virtual production team at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about Canva, a free design platform that's as versatile as it gets. From thumbnails to social media posts, Canva has you covered. With Canva, you can create stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos in minutes. Use their pre-designed templates, drag-and-drop features, and AI-powered Magic Studio to generate unique designs effortlessly. Pro tip: use Canva's Magic Write feature to brainstorm catchy video titles or descriptions. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Moving on to Clipchamp, a free video editor that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. It's packed with AI-powered features like text-to-speech, noise suppression, and auto-cut. Here's how you can use Clipchamp: import your footage, choose a template, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You can add transitions, text, and even royalty-free music to make your videos pop. Pro tip: use Clipchamp's AI subtitle generator to make your videos accessible to a global audience. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Last but not least, we have Wondershare Filmora, a powerful video editing tool that's free and beginner-friendly. It's loaded with features like AI video enhancement, color grading, and multi-camera editing. Filmora makes it easy to add professional touches to your videos. Use their AI-powered tools to enhance video quality, remove background noise, and even auto-generate captions. Pro tip: experiment with Filmora's color grading tools to set the mood for your videos. Whether it's a vibrant vlog or a cinematic short, Filmora has you covered. And there you have it, 4 incredible AI tools that are absolutely free and guaranteed to make your life easier. Whether you're creating content, designing graphics, or editing videos, these tools have got your back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more life-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.